Hello, welcome to True Restorations. This video will showcase our disinfecting services and procedures. Whether your desire is to disinfect your home or office, our process, from the initial response through completion of services, will be handled by True Restorations with the utmost respect and consideration of not transmitting any viruses to you, your residents, or your business facility. Our staff will respond to your call for assistance wearing an N95 respirator or better and latex gloves. Once we arrive and are invited in by you, we will then survey the area to be disinfected. We will safe off areas where disinfecting product is not wanted, such as electronics, food pantries, plants. With the area safed off and all pets and people vacated from the premises, our staff will then apply a fog of an EPA-registered disinfecting product to all surfaces and air within the space. This disinfecting product will then be allowed to activate on the surfaces for 10 minutes standing time. After the 10 minutes of standing time, we will then follow up with a wipe down, with a concentration on the high-touch areas, all the while working our way toward the main entrance to finish the process. We at True Restorations hope you take an aggressive approach to implementing these preventative measures to not only help prevent the spread of viruses, but also help you create confidence amongst your family, co-workers, clients, and patrons. For business owners, we offer a certificate of disinfecting placard with a date of service. This can be prominently displayed at your front entrance. This certificate, coupled with your staff's commitment to keep common high-touch areas continually sanitized, can be a great way to attract patrons to your business. Thank you again for your time in viewing our True Restorations Disinfecting Program particulars. Please call us at 631-757-0212 to schedule a free consultation.